Hello friends, this is the second video of Design the e-commerce web application. On my previous video, I show you how to design my e-commerce platform with HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. So, today I'm going to talk about how I program the user sign-up process including input validation. So, this is my sign-up page. And let's see how add a new user to our eShop web application. First, try to sign up without any details. In here, we got a pop-up message, enter your first name. Then, we enter our first name. Let's click sign up again. So, they also ask me to enter your last name. And enter sign up again. We get this pop-up message when we don't fill even one field like this. So, in the first name and the last name, we can use less than 50 characters only. We check it. First name must be have less than 50 characters. And let's enter my email address as well, but only the username without there any symbols and domains. And sign up. It says invalid email. And let's enter our password that has only 4 characters. And click sign up. Password must be between 5 to 20 characters. In here, we enter our country code and check it. In the mobile number, it must have 10 characters, so we can't use country code. Now select our gender male and sign up. Okay, it says successfully. It means I create my account successfully and details at our database. This is my database and my details at my database successfully. So let's get into my backend code. This is my sign up code and I add some changes. So here I add this due to. As the message box there are show us where it is success or there is an error. And here I remove the option tags for the gender fields and add this PHP code. So let's see it. In this line, connect our connection PHP file to our index PHP. So we see what is in the connection PHP file. In In this code, we connect our database to our web application. Usually, like this e-commerce web application, use multiple users. Because of that, we want to store user details in the database. When we create like this file, we can easily connect our database like this. In this part, we use some object-oriented programming part. In this line, I add a modify class and give a name database. Then we add a static variable public static $connection. So in here we add our function public static function setup connection. This setup connection function creates us. In this function, check our connection. So in this line, value not set our database class, we can create a connection between database. To create a connection, we apply hostname, username, password, database name and port. In here, this function check our insert, update, delete part, and this function check our search part. After we connect our database and we add a query to get all details in gender table. So then we catch all rows and give a value $ID. That's why when data add our database in the gender column see 1 and 2 values. Then we add those ID to these input fields and also in sign up button we add a attribute called onClick and give a function name sign up to link them to our JavaScript. Now see our JavaScript. In here I create our sign up function and catch all input fields by ID. Then I create a form, new form data. In here I append all data into my form. So here I plan to use Ajax method. First, I create a new XML HTTP request and assign into a request variable. So here, open and send method used to send a request to the server. Also here I use post method to send request. And this line send the form. This is our sign up process validation part. So this code gives condition to create an account. The conditions are like this. The file cannot be empty. First name, last name must have less than 50 characters. Email must have less than 100 characters. They asked me to give a valid email and mobile number. The password must be in between 5 to 20 characters and mobile must have 10 characters. So in this query, we search our email and mobile number. If we use our email or mobile number already, we got a error message with the same email or mobile already exists. Else your email or mobile number not already used, your account is created. So in here I calculate the date and time when we create our account and add data to our database. Finally, we get our successfully response. So let's create a new account. First name Kamal, second name Desi, email kamal@gmail.com, password 352890, mobile number 0745279890 and gender is male. Sign up. The account is created successfully and also data all at our database. This is the final process of sign up part. Thank you so much. Watch my videos. Hope you see next video. Goodbye.